Hi, my name is Danielle Moss. I'm from Brazil. My first language is Portuguese, and English is my second language. This is the place where I used to live. I live in US for around 14 years, and specifically in Idaho. Why do I want to be a nurse? So, I have so many reasons, but I have to be short in here. So I wanted to help promote the physical and emotional improvement of those who need care. To me, a nurse needs to have knowledge, and this is obviously, but also they need to have empathy and humanization for the patients. And I think have just knowledge and not having empathy for the person who needs care is same thing than nothing. That's really important for me. Personal experience though. What is my specific plan to be successful in completing the program? I live far away from Idaho Falls, so I have to organize my time very well to dedicate my studies. I have a good study skills or techniques, and it seems to be working so far. I also wanted to continue striving and doing my best to acquire instructions, methods, and techniques for the best care for the patients and their needs. Why should the selection committee choose me for admission? I wanted to be more knowledgeable and more capable to help patients as a RN. I know and I'm appreciative for the knowledge that I have for a CNA, as a CNA. And but now I am ready to move on and help as a RN. I also have a GPA with 3.66 from my prerequisite course, and also I got a GS test score of 87.7% score. I work really hard on that. Once you graduate, where do you see yourself in 5 years? I will be working and making significant amount of contribution in a healthcare profession and continuing to be challenging myself to acquire more knowledge. In addition of that, I wanted to still to promoting the patient's well-being and the satisfaction of them and their loved ones. That's what I really want to do in 5 years, hopefully, if you guys accept me into the program. Thank you for your time and your attention. I really appreciate it.